Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our Android screen in an Audi A7 TDI. Car came with the factory navigation, with the factory MMI. We install our Android screen, and this is our Apple CarPlay with our USB dongle wireless one, and it's fully touch. You can use Google Maps, you can use Waze. It retains all the factory functions. You can play Spotify, so it gives like a new look and new life to your Audi A7 or A6. And also by clicking on Audi logo, you can go to our aftermarket mode. You can use the MMI knob to scroll left and right on the menu, go to offline maps, play videos. Even while you drive, you still can play the video. Shows the temperature. Also, we have the phone link here. You can do mirroring, phone mirroring, and the other apps. If you want to install any other apps, you can go to the app section. Google Store is there. You can install any other apps that you want, and it's anti-glare blue screen. And by clicking on MMI, it goes to the factory MMI, and still you can use the knob. You still can see the backup camera. Retains all the factory functions. By touching the screen, goes to the aftermarket mode. Also, we install our 12.5-inch Android headrests with the Audi look menu on it. So technically these are Android screens with USB, SD card and HDMI input. The screen is fully touch. That's how they mount to the poles of the headrest. And also we add our remote starter with the factory key of the car. So we lock the car. The remote starter is only available for our local customers. So by clicking 3 times on lock button, the car starts. And by clicking the lock button for 3 times, the car shut off. And it locks automatically. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.